Okay, now I will show the next demo, which is for data and expression. And then for this demo of the expression, okay, we will use the next object, which is the bunny2. Okay, because we already insert the variable for bunny2, so we go for the next step, which is we assign the value. Okay, same from previous demo, we click on assign block and we put here. Okay, we choose the variable of bunny2, and we also need to request data from user. So we choose 0.0, and then we will replace a function to this value, okay, which is the function of from user. So we choose get double from user, and then replace on the value 0.0. Okay. And we insert a message. Example, okay, please input a new bunny to height. Same from previous demo. So this line is actually we will ask a new value from the user. And next, okay, we want to make changes, okay, to the input from the user, which is we want to perform a calculation, okay, and then return a new value. Okay, so this calculation is actually we use a mathematical expression. Okay. So how to add a calculation? Okay, we need to assign a new value. Okay, we choose assign block. Okay, and then we choose bunny to height. And then because we want to make changes to the bunny to height, so for this time we choose a bunny to height, and we will change bunny to height by using a mathematical expression. So you click bunny to height, and then you choose math. So what is the mathematical expression? Okay, this actually depends on your expression. So for my example, okay, I want to plus or add new value to the bunny to height that already inserted by the user. So I choose for the first option, okay, bunny to height plus, okay, with new value. So what is the value? Okay, you can set any value, okay, by choosing the custom decimal number, or you can choose from this number. So for my example, I just choose from this number, which is 0.25. Okay, this line is actually tell us that new bunny to height, okay, from the data input will be plus with the new value, which is 0.25. Okay, next step, we need to set the height for the bunny too. So we will repeat the same process, okay, for the bunny one previously, which is we choose set height for bunny 2, and the height is variable of bunny 2, okay, bunny 2 height. So now a new value is already set to the bunny 2. Okay, last step, this is also an optional step. I want bunny to tell us a new height. Okay, insert the text. Sorry. My new height is, okay, my new height is, so we repeat the same method with the bunny one. So we choose this option, okay, my new height is plus with the variable, okay, which is bunny to height. Then I also want the dialog stay a bit longer. Okay, for example, this time I choose 3. Now we will run this coding and then see the result, okay, for the second part. So first, this is the first part. Okay, for the bunny one, so for example, I insert 1.5. So bunny one will grow bigger and then tell the value. And this is the second part. Okay, look at this bunny 2. First, I will insert or input new bunny 2 height. For example, I insert 1.5. And if you remember the coding, this value will be added to the value of 0.25. So I want you to look at this bunny 2 and then the dialog for the bunny 2. Bunny 2 will grow. So the new height is 1.75 because the formula that we added to the value is bunny height, okay, plus with 0.25. Okay, so bunny height we add 1, okay, we input 1 plus with 0.25, sorry, 1.5 plus with 0.25, so that's why the new value will be 1.75. So that is a step, okay, for setting the variable, assigning the value, okay, to the variable. So I want you to remember these steps, okay, how we can set the variable to the object, and then the next step is actually we need to assign the value to the variable, okay, and then we also can make some changes by adding some calculations, okay, to make changes to the value, okay. Right, so this is the variables, okay, setting variable and also the input and the expression.